These spicy black bean tortillas are going to hit that spot every single time. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I love eating out, but there's just something about recreating a dish at home and putting your own spin on it that just makes it so much more enjoyable. These quesadillas cost a fraction of what you would pay at a restaurant, and you can customize the toppings, the fillings, the spice level, and make it your own. So let's get into it. First thing I do is make the pico because the longer it sits, the better it tastes. So finely dice your tomatoes and onions. Roughly chop some cilantro. Squeeze in some lemon, salt and pepper. Mix that and set aside in the refrigerator. Now for the tortillas, I am using around 50-50 whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour. Just add some salt, oil and warm water and knead the dough for about 3 to 4 minutes until smooth and soft. Cover it with a damp cloth and rest for 15 to 20 minutes, and this makes them so much more easier to roll out. While the dough rests, let's make the filling. Heat oil in a pan, add your roasted cumin and let it bloom for around 30 seconds. Add the cilantro stems, garlic, onion and red bell pepper and saute until it's softened for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then drain and add the black beans. And add some ketchup and stir it all together. Now the ketchup will not only give it a little sweetness but also brings in some acidity, which really holds this dish together. The chipotle powder is just ground up chipotle peppers and it gives it that nice smoky warmth which really enhances the flavor of the dish. Add in the chipotle powder, the oregano and season with some salt. Now lightly mash some beans directly in the pan, and you want it to be saucy but still with some texture. If it feels a little dry, just add a splash of water, add the cooked corn and stir it in and finish with some fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon juice. Now all that's left to do is rolling out the tortillas. Cooking them on a dry pan over medium to high heat. And to assemble, just add a little oil or butter on the pan, lay the tortilla flat, add a layer of shredded cheese on one half, a good scoop of the filling and some unexpected cheddar on top of the filling. The unexpected cheddar cheese is from Trader Joe's and it really brings in that nuttiness and the flavor to this dish. Now fold over and press gently and cook for 2 to 3 minutes till each side is golden and crispy. While this is crisping up, if you like quesadillas as much as I do, definitely check out the buffalo chickpea quesadillas recipe that I have on this channel, and I'll have it linked here. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I post recipes like this regularly. Once the quesadilla is crispy, just cut and plate it and serve it with a side of pico, some Greek yogurt sour cream, which is just some plain Greek yogurt with some lemon and salt, half an avocado sliced, and that is it. This is such a satisfying meal. It's spicy, cheesy, and fresh. It's got fiber, protein, and it's so tasty completely in your own way. Give this one a try and let me know down in the comments below how you would try to make this your own. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.